Hi everyone, are you ready to create a flash sale pop-up for your website for free? If yes, without further ado, let's create our pop-up to skyrocket sales. So let's go to popupsmart.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free, and then I will click new campaign. We should name our campaign, let's say flash sale, and then we should choose a domain. Let's save it. Now we will see the playbook where we have many different pop-up templates that you can use for your website. But because we want a flash sale, we can use some business goals right here. As you can see, we have different business goals as well. Let's see this one, for example. I think this one is good for our goal because we want a flash sale pop-up. Okay, as you can see, we have a lottie element. We can just click on it to change it. Let's see this one, for example. Okay, as you can see, it's so easy to change the lottie elements, the animation on the pop-up as well. And we can just play around with the tags, also with the subtags or the button. I want to place it in the center. Okay, this is good. Let's continue with style. We have the theme engine here. As you can see, you can just click to change everything about your pop-up. The text, the background, the font, everything. And it just takes one click. Okay, I think this one looks good. Okay, now let's apply theme. And then you can arrange the size of your pop-up if you want it. Small is good, and you can change its position on your website. In the body style section, you can change the background color of your pop-up, or you can add an image for background and a lottie animation as well if you want to. Let's activate the overlay to make our pop-up more eye-catching, and then you can change the shape of your pop-up, and you can just choose an opening effect, maybe this one, or maybe fading up. Okay, this is better. And then let's continue with text size, font, and colors. You can change the color of the text, and then you can change the size of it. If you want, you can change the fonts. Let's see, this one maybe. And then let's continue with button style. This is already rounded. Maybe make it circle. Okay, you can also change its color. Maybe we can make it orange. Maybe let's choose another orange, a darker one. Okay, or if you want, you can continue with advanced for more advanced customization. Okay, now I will continue with segments. And then you can just click change segment if you want to change the predefined segments that we already have. You can have, let's say, big announcement, for example. You can click apply and edit to apply it and edit it or tweak it a little bit if you want to. Or if you want to start from scratch, you can click my segments and create your own rules. Let's continue with big announcement. I want to edit a little bit. So as you can see, we are showing the pop-up on desktop and mobile. We are showing it to new visitors and returning one as well. Then let's schedule our pop-up campaign. I want a custom time. Let's say I want to show it on Tuesday between 3 and 4. Because this is a flash sale, I want it to be seen for a short amount of time. Let me see. Okay. Let's click apply. And then we have user behavior targeting. I want the visitors to see my pop-up if they scroll 20% of the website, and if they view my website more than 10 seconds, I want them to see the pop-up again. I want my pop-up to be displayed on every page view, and I want to stop showing the pop-up if they submit an email or click a button. Okay, that's good. Let's save it. Continue with publish. As you can see, we have the targeting summary here. This is all the targetings that we have done so far. We can see our pop-up as well. Let's publish our campaign and I'll show you how it looks on my website. So this is how my pop-up looks on my website. So that's it. It's so easy to create a lifestyle pop-up with Popup Smart, and I think you should experience it for yourself. Go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye!